Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am bringing to you week 4 of the quarantine Cook With Me series. This is week 4, can you believe that? Hosted by Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner and Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan and the Sister Circle. Today's meal will be rather quick to prepare, and it will just cook in my multi-cooker. I'm putting together some black-eyed peas with some sausage. Alright, I'm going to get all of these ingredients chopped: celery, onion, 2 colors of bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper of your choice, and some sausage of your choice. Alright, and all of these ingredients will go in the multi-cooker or your slow cooker and let it cook. You can pretty much let this cook all day long and go from there. So we're going to get this chopped up and get this meal to going, and I'll let you see the finished product. This is a quick meal that I love to prepare for hubby and I when we're home alone. It fills a gap, is so what I say. It fills a gap, gets a meal in, and it's one pot. Can't beat that. Now guys, these jars that you see here are jars that I love to use for prepping. Haven't been doing that lately, but I'm going to get back to it. I love when I get home from the grocery store, if I'm not too tired, I love to cut up all my veggies that I will need for the week and place them in these jars, and I keep them in my refrigerator. So during the week when I cook, all I have to do is prepare the meal. All the hard work is already done. So guys, I have everything chopped up and ready to go. Wiping down my area here, making sure it's clean back up. And what I like to do as I'm preparing meals, I like to have a bowl to put my waste items in, so that way when I'm done I can just take this to my trash can, dump the bowl, and wash it up, and I'm good to go. It's no mess here. That's trash and all, guys. Alright, so we're going to head over to my multi-cooker and get things started. Now what I love about multi-cookers, it's one pot cooking. I love that. So we're going to start by browning the sausage and the vegetables in the pot. I forgot to add my little non-stick spray, but this is a non-stick pot there. I'm going to brown my sausage first, and then I'm going to come back and brown my veggies. Now that my sausage has started sweating some of its juices a bit, I'm going to start adding some onion. I'm not going to add all of this onion, guys. I could, but I'm not. Some celery. And my bell peppers. That's the orange. And I'm going to go on and add all of it. And I'm going to add all of the red. And we're going to cook all of those things together. Let those flavors marry together. Guys, it's smelling so good. I'm wanting to dig in already. I'm going to season it just a bit with some salt and pepper. I'm loving the colors of this. This meal can also, these beans, black-eyed peas, can be made for the holidays as well. Good holiday dish, guys, especially New Year's when you're looking for different ways to prepare black-eyed peas. It's a tradition that on New Year's we prepare black-eyed peas and collard greens. And this is one of the ways I love to prepare them. Alright. Smells so good. Looking in my drawer here to get a little garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle that in as well because I love flavoring my food. I do not like bland food. And that's looking good, looking good. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my black-eyed peas. Now you can use bagged black-eyed peas, canned, frozen. I'm using what I have. This is a quarantine meal, right? So I'm using what I have on hand. And that is these canned black-eyed peas. And I'm going to pour this in this multi-cooker. And I'm going to let them cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. Alright. This is a hearty meal because it has everything in it that you need. Your meats and your beans. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to add to it in the end that I already have prepared. right. Giving this a good stir. Yum, yum, yum. That looks so good. I'm loving all the colors and flavors that I have in there already. Look at that yumminess, guys. OMG. So I still have it on brown. I'm gonna back it off. I'm gonna put it on low now. And just let it simmer and cook and marry all those flavors together. And I will share with you what I do with it, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, it has been cooking for about 5 hours or so. So I'm going to let you see how it looks. It looks so good. It smells so good. And I'm going to plate it up and let you see the finished product. I am so ready to dig in. Now I would like to thank Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner and Denise of This and That with Denise for again hosting this collaboration, the series. I am enjoying every moment of it. Go over to their channels, show them some love, tell them that I sent you, and also take a look at the playlist. You will enjoy these delicious recipes that the Sister Circle they're preparing in their own homes. All of the links will be found in my description box down below. We have one more week of the Quarantine Cooking at Home with Me series, and I hope to see you on next week. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day and be safe.